What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to this episode of G4 Outdoors. If you haven't yet, go back and check out my cheap DIY bullet trap. Today we're making one for under $10.
Well, here's a little story about two friends that came together, and we started up a YouTube just to talk about whatever. We're on a boat catching big bass and smashing them cats, from review videos to just making you laugh. Cause we got guns, we got knives, we got fishing, we got hunting, we got everything you like, so hit that subscribe button. We're in the outdoors, doing things that we love. We're talking guitars, girls, green grass, and guns.
This is going to be a short and easy video. All you got to do is go out and buy yourself a bag of rubber mulch. It doesn't matter whether it's red or black, it's still rubber mulch. You also need just a cardboard box. This is trash from some stuff that came in the mail. You're going to want a box about the same size as your rubber mulch because you do not want any air voids in here so the bullets will not pass through. Let's go ahead and fill it up. Gerber sure makes a sharp knife. What in the heck? Go ahead and dump your mulch into your cardboard box. And like I say, you do want to fill this up. All right, so kids, if you are building this for yourself, if your mom and dad's out redoing some mulch in the garden, this is going to be free to you. So once we have all the mulch in there, we're going to close the lid. Use your favorite tape of source. Mine will be Gorilla Tape. An extra set of hands will help just to get this started. I sure know how to make a project look hard, but now we have a box that is filled with mulch. This is going to handle any of your projectiles that are running 600 feet per second or less. I'm going to test that theory out to see actually how fast a bullet or what kind of bullet will pass through this, but this is going to be a great BB gun target. Now you can keep shooting the sides of this over and over and over. Once a hole starts to form, just put a piece of duct tape over it. Fill your hole back up and you can keep on shooting for a very long time. Okay, just for YouTube monetization purposes, I have a 17 caliber pellet right here. And I may or may not have a Gammo behind here that I am gonna test this at 1,300 feet per second. You tell me, did it go through? No. So it can handle a 17 caliber going at approximately 1,300 feet per second. Now the box that I got behind there, I have shot a high powered rifle into that and it did not go through that. But we're talking about 1.5 feet worth of rubber. So with the 17 not the 17 HMR, with the 17 calibers going into this at 1,300 feet, we're safe. So I'm mainly on this one right here, I'm just gonna be shooting BB guns into this one. So it's going to be just perfectly fine. What I can tell you is it will not hold a 17 HMR. Careful with this. That's why I'm going to stay on the lower end of just BBs. How far did that 17 HMR go though? There's still smoke rolling around in here. Okay, so that went through that smaller box and it stopped right here right here onto the front of this. So it didn't make it through it like extremely well, but it did go through, it blasted through. Not recommended for very, very high power rifles. So anyways, guys, that's just a $10 bullet trap. Quiet, all rubber, nothing to go bad with this. Just patch it up with some duct tape and you're good to go again. Guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Leave a comment down below. I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I just dream of fishing while I'm going through my workday. I listen to my boss, though he's driving me berserk. Damn it, I can't take much more because my brain is really hurting. And now the bank is always calling and I don't know what to do. And I haven't bought a crankbait since like 1992. But the bass are out there schooling.